Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix this error code with the message of bad image in Windows 11 or Windows 10. To get started, simply search for command prompt, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now type in this command and hit enter to execute it. The process will take some time. Once done, it will find the corrupt files and successfully repair. Simply close everything and restart your computer, and this should fix the issue. In the next method, search for command prompt, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now type in this command and hit enter to execute it and wait for the process to finish. Now it may seem that the process is stuck at 62.3%. I have already made a video on that. Simply go to the video description and watch that video to fix this issue. In the next method, search for restore point and select create a restore point option. From here, click on system restore, then click on next, then select a restore point from here. If you want, you can click on show more restore points to find a convenient restore point and click on next and see whether the issue gets resolved or not after this. If nothing works out, as a final resort, search for reset and click on reset this PC. Now from the Windows settings, click on reset PC. You will get two options, keep my files. So this is the most preferred one, where you get all your apps and settings removed but your personal files are retained, and remove everything will erase all the contents from your hard drive or SSD. So pick your preferred method to reset your PC. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.